In addition to the obvious division into superficial and deep groups, muscles of the back are also classified depending on their embryological origin. According to this classification, the following groups are distinguished among the deep muscles. Autochthonous muscles formed in the back region during embryogenesis, where they remained in the postnatal period. This group is innervated by the posterior branches of the spinal nerves. The erector spinae muscle, the transversospinalis muscle, the interspinalis muscles, the intertransversarii muscles. Watch more videos in the EasyAnatomy app. With EasyAnatomy, you can learn much easier and faster. We provide a comprehensive video library, related PDF notes, and atlas sections with engaging flashcards. Download EasyAnatomy from the link in the description. Ventral muscles formed in the ventral region during embryogenesis, and only then they migrated to the back. They are innervated by the anterior branches of the spinal nerves, which are called intercostal nerves. Levatoris castarum muscles. According to the embryological classification, the following groups are distinguished among the superficial muscles of the back. Truncofugal muscles have migrated from the trunk to the shoulder girdle. They are innervated by the branches of the brachial plexus. The rhomboid major muscle, the rhomboid minor muscle, the levator scapulae muscle. The truncopetal muscles migrated from the limbs to the trunk. They are innervated by branches of the brachial plexus. The latissimus dorsi muscle. Muscles of ventral origin have migrated from the chest region to the back region. They are innervated by the anterior branches of the spinal nerves. The serratus posterior superior muscle. The serratus posterior inferior muscle. Muscles of cranial origin have migrated from the head region to the back region. They are innervated by the accessory nerve, the trapezius muscle.